DisputeBee Credit Repair Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Welcome to our full review of DisputeBee. All relevant links are included in the description below. DisputeBee is a user-friendly credit repair software designed for both individuals looking to fix their own credit and professionals running a credit repair business. What sets DisputeBee apart is its focus on simplicity and automation. It allows users to import credit reports from all three bureaus, automatically generate dispute letters based on negative items, track dispute progress, and organize responses. For businesses, there's a team management feature, client tracking dashboard, and the ability to manage multiple accounts seamlessly. The platform uses proven dispute templates, including 609 letters and method of verification requests, and allows full customization if you prefer a more hands-on approach. It's cloud-based, which means everything is stored securely and accessible from anywhere. One major strength is how beginner-friendly the platform is. The interface is clean, the workflows are streamlined, and it doesn't require prior industry experience to start seeing results. It also offers detailed tracking, so you always know where each client or account stands in the dispute process. Another plus is that the pricing is much more accessible than many competitors, especially for individuals. However, there are some trade-offs. DisputeBee is more focused on automation and ease of use, so it lacks some of the deeper business management features you'd find in high-end platforms like Credit Repair Cloud. There's also no integrated client portal, and while support is available, it's mostly through documentation and email rather than live chat or phone. For professionals who need full CRM capabilities or advanced compliance tools, this may feel limited. Still, DisputeBee is a great fit for solopreneurs, small agencies, or individuals who want a simple, affordable way to automate and manage disputes effectively. It's particularly good for side hustlers or anyone testing the waters in credit repair without committing to a high monthly fee. In short, if you're looking for a powerful but lightweight tool to get the job done without overcomplicating things, DisputeBee is worth checking out. See the links below for full access and pricing options.